Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on Speak Keyboard Input Aloud using letters and words in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option? We need to go to Settings, of course, then we are looking for our accessibility functions here, and at the top we have Spoken Assistance. In here we have Speak Keyboard Input Aloud. When we turn on this option, by default it will read only our characters, so letters and numbers. If you want, we can choose whole words or characters and words. So let's see if it will read our words and characters if we start new message.
C-A-T, cat.
As you can see, it's working. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.